Yo, what's going on? It's your boy Cater, going for an early morning run. What's going on with your life? What's going on with your land? How you doing? Today is gonna be an epic day, just running, just making stuff happen. Oh, smoke! What? Who I got in touch with? What's up?
That's my neighbor right
Yeah,
here.
that's what's up. That's my man Shay. We live right next to each other, making stuff happen.
Yep.
Getting our workout on this morning,
I happen
and
to be driving
boom.
down the street. I see Cater working it out. Had to pull over real quick, and we had to do this live real quick and be like, "Yo, he ready? I'm ready to do some push-ups right now."
Get on the floor, man. Get on the floor.
Push-ups right
Let's
now.
do it. You gotta get the
We gotta,
blood pumping,
we
man.
gotta be motivated out here to get it in. I know we're
Hey,
gonna make some money today.
we
I know
got
that's for sure.
we gotta get the bag, but we know, first we gotta get the health bag. Gotta be healthy, man.
Yeah.
How you gonna enjoy the bag if you're not healthy?
Yeah, Cater got me out here motivated. I'm ready to get up. I'm ready to truck this. I'm ready.
Let's
I'm ready
get
to
it,
go.
man.
Get some money.
Let's
And
get
my
it.
health up.
Yep.
And we got to do more of this. So, whatever you guys do today, make sure you put 100% effort into whatever you're doing in your business, in your love life, in your relationship, and whatever you're doing.
Tommy's on. Tommy's on. What's up, Tommy? Yo, shout out to my boy Tommy Rodriguez.
Oh, Tommy's on.
Tommy's just killing
Tommy,
it
what
in the
up,
game,
Tommy?
man.
Tommy, me and the neighbors, man. I was down the street, driving down the street. I happened to see Kate. I'm like, yo, what's up, man? So, yeah, Tommy know what's up.
Tommy's the man.
I gotta
man.
go see you too. I'm calling you today, Tommy.
If you're doing any Amazon automation, I've seen Tommy blow up his business from
Tommy,
the time that we used to do Craigslist and some other stuff, DS Domination way back in the days. And it's just to show that, anybody, you never know what people is going to establish, man.
Boy, you amazing, boy.
It's so great to be connected. I remember when I came online seeing Shay Films during a video, we never know like this moment would happen right now.
Yeah, we would
right?
never do. We would end up being neighbors. We live in the same community.
Yeah,
like right up the street from each other. We can throw a football at each other. That's how close we stay to each other, like right up the street for real.
Exactly. Like, it just gives hopes to people that seeing videos online, seeing people making it happen. Like, if it's possible for one, take a chance. You just never know. You got to put in the hard work. We're not here to define exactly what you're going to do or how long it's going to take you to do it or how you're going to do it. But just one thing I know, people that are the winners, they're going to come in, they're going to shift their mindset, they're going to make it happen, and they're going to lock in. And it might not be the first thing that you do that's going to give you massive success. But guess what? You're going to start building skill set. Like in the process, you're going to start learning. You're going to start building skill set. You're going to start learning different strategy. And everything is going to, every setback is going to set you up for a winning, because you're going to get some setback on the way.
Yeah. And an L is not a loss. It's a lesson. We all take L's. And a lesson just makes us stronger, makes us better. And, so we encourage you today to get out there, and even if you're going through some struggles, going through some issues in your life and your business, keep pushing, man. Keep pushing. Hey, life ain't perfect.
That's
I'm going through some shit right now myself.
Yep.
You know what I'm saying?
That's the key, man. But we are survivors, man. We overcomers, so we're gonna get through it, man. You get around some people that can push you to keep going. Get around mentors like you. That helped me in the process, seeing your ups and downs, making it happen, keep pushing to the process.
I've had to lean on this man.
Yeah.
I've had to lean on him.
We lean on each other, man.
Yeah.
That's how we make it happen. So, but anyway, if you're watching on Facebook, I just wanted to say what's up. Just going for my morning run, just bumping into Shay, and hey, let's shoot this video. And one thing, Shay, I was just running this morning. I was trying to shoot a video, but I didn't have anything in my mind. Sometimes I'm gonna go for a run and I shoot a video. Some morning I just don't have anything, so I just keep on running. And this morning I didn't know what I was gonna shoot a video about. And then I met up with Shay. He was like driving by. He's like, yo, pull your camera, let's do a video. And that one little principle I learned one time really changed my life. And I never say no. It's to learn to say yes to yourself. I remember one time I was so broke, just getting started in business. And then I went to Denver. Well, first mastermind, I went to Denver. I started getting some results. I was posting out on Craigslist. I was getting some results in my business. And then I went there and I met one of my mentors named German Still. Some of you might follow him on Facebook. And he told me, what do you know how to do? I was like, yo, I know how to post out on Craigslist. I know how to help people get traffic. And there was a cameraman there. He has his own cameraman. Said, hey, you want to shoot a video to do a course? And, I was like, man, I don't think I want to do it, man. Like, damn, I don't think I want to do it. But then I shoot for it. And that one video made me my first 100K online, like first 100K month online. That was way back in 2013. That literally changed my mind, changed my mindset, changed everything. And ever since then, you know, learn to say yes. Like if someone's giving you an opportunity, you don't know if it's gonna win, you don't know what's gonna happen. Like this video, like we have Lady J that's watching right now. We didn't know Tommy was gonna be on. We didn't know all of that was gonna happen. Some of you might watch this video, but he said, yo, let's do a video. I didn't know what I was gonna talk about. Yeah, he's like, yo, did you know what we was gonna talk about?
I didn't know I was gonna see him. I was actually going. What I usually do, you know, working from home kind of gets, I ain't gonna say boring, but I was actually going to Panera Bread to go to work. I was going to Panera Bread. I go to Panera Bread, sit down and work. They be jamming in Panera Bread too. So I was going to Panera Bread, give me some tea, and give me a little breakfast, and I was going to work. That's where I was going. Yeah. Right now, I saw Kato. I'm like, yo, what's up? You know what I'm saying?
Exactly. So, you know, pick up to what Shay just said. Just learn to say yes to yourself. If someone is presenting you with an opportunity, you don't know if it's gonna work. Again, if you already have stuff going on and you can pick and choose between your opportunity, what you want to do. But hey, learn to say yes to yourself. Sometimes occasions gonna present themselves and you don't know how to do. You don't know what you're gonna do. You don't know how you're gonna react, how you're gonna build this business. Just say yes and figure out later exactly how it's gonna work out. What's up, Bobby?
Yeah, what's up, Bobby? What's going on, cuz?
Bobby, see my guys. What's up,
what's
man?
What's up, man?
It's good to see you, bro. We gotta jump you in this video.
Yeah, man.
But anyway, Shay.
Yeah.
Got anything for them today?
Just whatever, you know, the words of encouragement is just keep pushing, man. Keep pushing. And whatever you're going through, whether it be up or down, keep pushing, keep going. We all go through trials and tribulations, but we also push through those trials and tribulations to have success. And I just wish all of you the best. Today's what? Today's Friday, right?
Friday, baby.
Happy Friday.
Happy Friday. Wally Jackson.
Just got
Remember
paid.
Wally? Wally said, what's up, Shay?
What up, man? So it's Friday. It's payday for a lot of people. Shit. If you don't have a business, go start a business. You know what I'm saying? If you are in business, go get some more business. You know what I'm saying? Just go put it all in today. Go all in today. Today's Friday. Go all in today.
Lady J says that, hey, I just did this and I was nervous. I did it anyway. And that's how you win. You're nervous. You get the work done. I remember making that video for the first time. I'm like, man, I'm like scared of Jermaine. He's like, yeah, I'm like, that's the big dog. Like, damn, I'm shooting a video with this guy. I don't know what I'm going to say, but I'm going to do it anyway. Right. So that's the key. Get it done anyway, you know, and you'll course correct in the process, you know. That's it. That's the game.
And happy Friday.
Happy Friday.
Go get that money, baby.
Go get that money, man. We got the health bag first. Now we're going to get the other bag. Let's do it.
Peace out.